welcome to our video blog. We are here in Enderun Colleges in the Port. Makilihi Road pala. So we are here for the Garnier event for the active, anong title nun? I forgot. So check nyo yung title sa culminating event nung they have this advocacy campaign na tuturo nila yung mga students, mga college students na to be proactive in also creating their own advocacy. So nanalo yung University of Mindanao for having the best campaign and advocacy na maraming nag-participate talaga. So check nyo na yung video for more updates.
Alright, interesting. It's nice to see so many young people using their talents for such worthy causes. Maraming salamat, Major, for sharing that. At syempre, mas malaking palakpakan para sa lahat ng nakilahok dito sa Get Active of our program. We have gathered all here today for the culmination of a great idea to bring all these youth together and enlist their help in giving them free rein over campaigns of their own making. Welcome to the awarding ceremony of the Garnier Get Active Campus Challenge. Palakpakan!
What I eat, exercise every day, and inspired by my family.
Right. Parang it's the same question as what motivates you. Ano bang what motivates you to get up every day and go to work and face challenges head on? Family talaga. Okay, thank you very much. And for that, we have prizes from Garnier. Anyone else? Vlogger, great. Sige. So what makes you active? Ano ang nagpapa-aktibo sa'yo? What motivates you?
Well, what motivates me is the support of my friends. About ginagawa ko, lagi may supporta, lagi may like. So yun, nakaka-assure yun na mahal ka nila, pati na rin ang family relatives yun. Kaya motivated ako talaga.
Parang may like, parang Facebook lang, ano? Marami nag-like sa status mo. Maraming salamat, FPJ. And you also get a gift pack from Garnier. So those are very good answers. Maraming nagsabi, their family motivates them, encouragement from others. All great answers and all part of the activity that we are going to do this night.
About more than taking care of themselves and taking care of their skin. It's also trying to share the care and making it more active for everyone. With Garnier Care Active that fights the 6 skin problems, we want to support also the school in fighting their advocacies. And so what we did is to tap different organizations on schools.
Everyone here in the audience, it's just been such an overwhelming day talaga to be here at the culminating event. I have to say, with all the, the time that's been spent in this activity, and I'm sure you guys can relate, I can't believe it's over. Tapos na pala, and I was watching the video, and honestly when I was watching it, I was telling Major, I was like, please slap me if I start crying, kasi nakakahiya. But when I look at the video, it's so heartwarming to see these people, and most especially students, which is, the future. Sometimes, you don't get to talk to the students, but this I saw, yung kaya ng mga students, and they weren't, they really made do with everything that they had, especially with the recyclable fashion shows. Nakaka-shock talaga. You can see na talagang Filipinos are they really make do out of everything that they can. Talagang may kaya sila. And I think the most memorable was really just going to these schools and immersing myself 100% in their lives and seeing what they're capable of achieving. And I really felt like I was so proud of the youth nowadays because obviously I'm not nakasama there, so I felt hindi na ako youth because these are the new people that are gonna come up and change our country, and I felt very reassured seeing them with how they took on the project and made it personal and made it relevant.
This is quite a unique project for a brand to do, right? Like to get young people involved in a project like this. How do you feel? I mean, you mentioned a while ago that you're so proud of being the ambassador for the brand.
The brand itself, I was very proud of.
Right.
How does it, your question is how does it?
How does it feel that you're actually part of a project that has actual beneficiaries and actual advocacies?
Well, I really thank Garnier for giving me the opportunity to be part of this, because I don't think I would have reached that, seen that amount of people and reached the lives of those many people without Garnier being included. So I'd like to really thank you guys for coming up with something this, if we read through the tweets of all the people every time we go to the schools, it was really something that you could see, it touched the lives of these children and of these young adults, sorry. And I really, parang just to be part of that was so overwhelming, and also I felt so grateful just to be with them on
All this
stage.
raining, all this flooding. Yung campaign nyo ba, how yung success niya, how do you gauge it? Marami ba talagang natuto doon sa inyong ginawang campaign?
Yes, because I've heard one of the radio stations in Dumaguete City have one person called the radio station and they said that, I've seen many young people running around the whole city, and they have this garbage with them and the T-shirt, and what's that for? All of them, and the girl really that called her radio station said that it is really very helpful to all the people in our city for awareness. That's basically.
That's such good news, and I love long-term solutions, and I feel like
Yes.
you guys really came up with, I feel like educating people is always the best long-term solution, and you can't blame people if they don't know what's right and wrong, but as soon as you're educated, you really have the responsibility to share that knowledge, and I felt that you guys did that very successfully, and I'm a huge advocate din of recycling, kasi diba? Ang dami natin mga problemas from waste, so I think that's a very good thing to focus on for your community.
Thank you very much. Ayan, maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-participate sa Garnier Get Active Campus Challenge. Please, everyone, let's give all of them a big round of applause. They all did really well. All right. And of course,
Florencio and Jeff, what can you say about the Garnier event? Yung tsaka yung advocacy nila? Ikaw muna.
Nakatuwa kasi naka-inspire as a student na pwede ka palang gumawa ng isang napakagandang project kasi involve mo yung school mo, involve mo yung community mo para yun nga, to make a change.
Ikaw?
Bilang isang mamamayang Pilipino, napakaganda nung pangyayaring ito kasi kumbaga bilang isang Pilipino, kumbaga, nakita mo yung partisipasyon ng kabataan tungkol sa pagbabago ng pamumuhay nila at pagtulong sa pamamayan.
So yung at the end of the event, nagkaroon ng award yung St. Paul for having the most active sa social media and doon sa campaign nila. And may award din si PUP and University of Mindanao for, noong una akala ko kung gano'ng kaganda yung campaign, but yung involvement ng mga students yung importante talaga. So yung campaign ng Garnier is very inspiring sa lahat, and tama nga yung sinabi ng mga student, this event and this campaign is for the youth by the youth. So since our government wala nang ginagawang maganda, so maganda yung mga brands like Garnier and doing the job for the Filipino at sa future ng mga kids natin. Kasi bad trip, di ba? Parang ano lang inasikasa nila. And I'm very excited because I heard Garnier will have another campaign and advocacy na gagawin nila after this. So I heard the involvement sa pag-sponsor ng child. For example, I think I heard Georgina posted on Instagram na about this World Vision campaign naman. I think that's the next advocacy ng gagawin ng Garnier. So, kita-kits guys, thank you sa mga friendly vloggers na nag-send na kanilang feedback. So, I hope yung mga students na to will continue their campaign and advocacy na talagang malaking tulong sa ating bansa. So, thank you.